Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to draw Retsuko from the series AGGRETSUKO. She might seem easy to draw, but actually it's kind of difficult. So let's work on drawing her together. My drawing video is sped up, so please pause whenever you feel like you need to stop. Remember, we need to erase the skeleton later, so don't push down hard if you're using a pencil. First off, we're going to start drawing her head by using a simple circle. But if we look at the reference picture, we can see that her head is not just a simple circle. I'm drawing two triangles on each side of the circle to try and get the right shape later on. The bottom of Retsuko's head is not totally round, it's a little bit flat. And for her ears, they're not super pointy, they're a little bit rounded at the top. Let's make two circles on the head where her ears will attach. The shape of her ears are basically triangles. Don't forget the little pointy bits of fluff at the bottom. And now it's time to draw the axis on her head to help us draw the face later. Retsuko's body is much slimmer and smaller than her head. As you can see, we're going to draw an oval at the bottom of the head. This is where we're going to connect the body to. Now let's draw our vase shape for the body. We're going to draw her body first and then the clothes later with a different color. Now it's time to draw the legs and arms and connect them to the body. The legs are shaped like cylinders. The arms are too, but they're a lot thinner. And her hands are ovals. Follow me on the video and let's draw all of these shapes together. I'm going to change the pose of one of her legs a little bit. You can either copy me or leave it the way it is. Both ways are okay. Now I'm using a different color to draw the clothes on top. The shapes of Retsuko's clothes are mainly triangles and cylinders. Now that our skeleton is finished, we're ready to draw the lines over it. If you're using pencils, lightly erase the skeleton, just enough so you can still see the outline of it. This makes it a lot easier later when you're trying to erase all of it. Let's look at the shape of Retsuko's eyes. They're not perfectly circle, they're more like ovals. Her nose is just a simple triangle, and her mouth is a simple curve. These shapes are pretty easy to draw by themselves, but the hard part is putting them in the right place on the face. Don't be frustrated if your shapes don't look completely right the first time. It's going to take a lot of practice. Now I'm finishing the rest of the lines, but I'm still carefully looking at the picture of Retsuko so I don't forget anything, which I'm glad I was doing because I forgot to draw her tail. I'm going to add it in later after I add some color. We're not going to shade Retsuko today, we're just coloring simply. I'm making the lines on my picture a bit thicker to match Retsuko's picture. Just for fun, let's turn this happy Retsuko into a rage Retsuko. And that's it for today. We looked at some simple shapes that are in Retikule's design and tried it for ourselves. Our drawings won't look exactly like the picture, but that's okay, we just have to keep practicing. Please send your drawings to my email or Instagram. Both links are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed watching or drawing along with me today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!